Hey folks, so here today we're going to be doing our part 2, last startups of our air conditioning season. I think we might do last startup of the Arctic King, or I already did that. Here's LG. We're starting off with LG. Can't put my flashlight on. I'll put my light on. Here, it's brighter now because I got LED lights that turn any color. Alright, here are the BTUs on this. Like, come on, focus. So, 5,000 BTU, 440 watt, 11.3 BTU Sears, 150 volt, single hertz, 60 hertz at 41 amps, single phase. Here's LG model LW5016. Alright, got the data sheet. Made by Zenith Gold Stars. Ow. Zenith Gold Stars, and especially LG. I don't have the one with the energy switch on top of it. That's the older ones. Alright. We're gonna start off with low fan. 3, 2, 1. Next we'll do the Frigidaire. Oh wait, gotta get my temp gun. We're getting nothing at low. It's me playing GTI Online. Here's my temp gun. Alright, let's see what we're getting. Okay, we'll turn the laser off so it doesn't, alright, yeah, laser. We're getting 69 degrees. Alright. Okay, so we'll put it on high. See what we got. It's gonna get up. Alright. We're gonna start off with low cool. There, it clicks. We're gonna start with low cool. Alright, wait until the fan turns off. Got my pop socket. Wait, I'm gonna wait until the fan blade turns off. Oops, that was my temp gun. I know it'll take a little. Alright, you know what? Let's turn it on. It takes so long for the fan blade to turn off. To stop moving. Alright, here we go. Alright, 3, 2, 1. That was a nice startup. Alright, let's see what we got for now. Alright, we're going down. Point the vent, the middle. Here's my little mini fridge. My phone to break. Ugh. Get all the water off of it. Alright, let's see what we got on local. Ooh, okay, so it'll get way colder if it. Alright. Speaking of high cool, we'll put it on high cool. see what we got. And nothing yet. Oh, 30 degrees. Damn. $37. Alright, now back to low. Oh, alright, we're getting somewhere. That's alright. We're gonna turn the LG hibernating time for the LG 5000 BTU. Alright, say goodbye. Alright, so clicks. And quick will do fan. Alright, so that's a nice run up of the LG 5000 BTU. Unplug it. Alright, now to the next one. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Put the light on. 2018 Frigidaire, or 19, 12,000 BTU. It's a remote, there's technically no batteries in it. I gotta go get it. So, if you don't know, this is what the remote looks like. This is might be my Dia unit, so. Alright, let's see the data sheet. Model FFRE123WA1.
I cannot buy it for some reason. And the golf, I feel like a lot of split decisions here.
1,000 watts. 1,000 watts. 12.0 SEER. 12.0 EER. SEER. Or EER. 12,000 BTU. 150 volt plug. I'm not sure. Alright, let's go fire it up. What the heck? I can't turn it on. Okay. Oh. Oh wait, this ain't plugged in. Alright, let's turn it on. Oof, a lot of water in there. We're getting like 60 degrees. Alright, we're gonna turn on the compressor. No way, it'll take a while before we turn it on. Yeah, you gotta let it wait. Filter, hold on, let me get this off. Filter's in good condition. And I just cleaned it, and yep. Yeah, I think it has a GMCC compressor. Put the vent up, or alright. Take the filter out. Yeah, the coils are just 60 degrees for the coils. And without all the piping, it'll when the compressor will kick on. I don't know when, or is it gonna kick on? It's a little cool out for it to kick on for this air conditioner. Alright, you know what? I don't think we're actually gonna get the compressor to kick on. We've seen it a lot of times. Oh, it just did now. Alright, what are we getting? Degrees. Gotta let this warm up. Boring. It all takes the edge off. We only got like 60 degrees. We're getting somewhere. We'll put it on medium. It's 3 spans. 4 3-span speed. Nice. Medium. We're almost getting everything. Alright, we'll put it on high. Yeah, we're going on like 50 degrees. Here's auto. It'll turn off. Put it back on low. Here's dry. That's eco. I don't want to press that. Just dry, fan only, auto, and cool. How much we're getting? Oh, we're getting 40 degrees. So I put it on high. Oh, it's getting ice cold. Alright, we'll turn it. Alright, for the final test for the Frigidaire, 12,000 BTU, shutting down. Alright, we're gonna unplug it. Alright.
Where was the show?
Alright, we're gonna do the higher 5,000 BTU. We're gonna start on fan first. Oh wait. To click. Alright. Alright, we're gonna start on fan first. So, here we go. I'm not sure what we're getting at on. Alright, here's high, or local, low fan only. Getting 60 degrees. Alright. We're gonna start off local. There we go. Alright. So this is going to be the last startup of all my air conditioners because we're taking them out soon. And maybe next summer. Oh wait, we're going to start on... Alright, so we're going to start off with Flow Cool. 3, 2, 1. Oh, here's the refrigerant going off. Here's between speeds. Back to low. Put it on high. In a second now. Alright, let's see what we're getting. 60 degrees, like 62, 61. Put it on 6. I'm getting out the compressor to kick off. I don't want it to kick off on me. Here is high cool. You know, I'm just gonna... Oh wait, here it is. I think it's... Alright, let's turn it off now because I don't. My mom will get super mad when it's running. Back to low. Put the thermostat like this and power down. And quick old 2 fan. Fan mode is nice on this thing. And it is a nice compressor sound on the higher. Alright, now for the final. My sister's room.
smell in here?
No. Because there is something dead in here, is it? Alright, we're gonna do a little quick startup on the Frigidaire. I mean, Kenmore made by Frigidaire. Alright, I'm gonna plug it in. There we go. We're gonna start on a low fan. Alright. We're gonna do this quick. We're gonna start on low cool. Now here's high cool, low cool, back to high. Alright. Okay. That is a final startup of all my air conditioners, but first I wanna unplug everything because she'll be so mad, really mad about my mother. Really madder than my mother. Plug all that stuff in. Alright guys, that's all for today.